Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to build a welcome email series in Brevo. Brevo allows you to automate your emails so that every new subscriber receives a warm, consistent, and professional welcome experience. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and activate your own welcome email series inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we've put down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. So let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left menu and click on the Automation tab. The automation page will open on the right side of the screen. Next, click on the Create an Automation button to continue. A pop-up window will appear, giving you two options. You can create an automation from scratch by clicking Create from Scratch right there at the top corner, or rather, you can select a pre-built template from the available automation types. For this tutorial, we'll select the welcome message template, so click on that to proceed. Once you do, another pop-up window will appear. Click on the Create Automation button at the bottom to continue. Now, after this step, you'll be redirected to the automation editor. The first step here is to link your automation to a specific contact list. Click the drop-down menu and select the list that you want to connect. If you don't want to assign a list right now, click on Skip Guided Setup. For this tutorial, we'll skip this step. Now you can begin customizing your welcome email workflow. Below the workflow name, you'll see three main tabs: triggers, actions, and rules. Now these control how your automation behaves. The first thing you need to set is the trigger, which determines when the automation starts. Click on the Trigger tab. In the Contact section, drag the Contact Added to List option onto the canvas. This trigger ensures that whenever a new contact is added to your list, the automation begins automatically. Once you've dragged the trigger onto the canvas, click on it to configure it in the left sidebar. In the configuration panel, choose the specific contact list that will trigger this workflow. Then click on the Save button. Next, set the waiting period between emails under the Rule tab. This allows you to add a time delay before the next email in your sequence. For example, you can set it to wait 2 days and then click on Save. After setting the delay, move to the Actions tab and choose what you want the system to do next. In this case, click and drag the Send an Email option to the canvas. This will be your first welcome email. Once added, click on the action box to configure your email. You can select an existing template from your Brevo library or design a new one directly within the editor. To expand your email series, continue adding more rules and actions. For example, you can insert another time delay followed by another send an email action to create a second or third email. This approach allows you to build a sequence that slowly introduces your subscribers to your brand, your products, or your services. The first email could welcome them, the second might share some helpful resources, and the third could highlight your best offers. Once you've designed and reviewed the workflow, make sure that everything is connected properly. Check that the triggers, rules, and actions are all linked in the correct order. When everything looks good, click on the Activate Automation button right there in the top right corner of the page. Your welcome email series will now be live, and Brevo will automatically send each message to new contacts based on your setup. And that is how you build a welcome email series in Brevo. You've learned how to select a pre-built template, customize your workflow, and activate your automation so that it runs on its own. And don't forget, if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, grab that 50% off of Brevo's starter and business plans for the first 3 months using that link that's down in the description. Plus, you'll also get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo guides. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.